welcome back. We are seeing some issues in Cassandra. See, I'm trying to connect SH. So it is not supporting like Python 2.7. Verify Python version. I think it is not supporting 2.7.5 is not supporting. Let me try to install Python 3 directly. We'll see how it goes. Yum update I am doing. I'm giving sudo because I'm using Cassandra user, right? Update y. Okay, it is fine. Let me sudo yum install Python 3. This is not helpful for in real time, just I'm giving like some problems we are facing, right? Yeah, let me installing Python 3. Okay, done. Python hyphen version. Clear some space, you'll get some apt get, it's not found. Okay, it has to get it. Okay, no problem. Why it is sudo apt? Okay, see here, apt is what is this version? CentOS. If you want to see etc, this is CentOS, right? That is the reason apt it is useful for Ubuntu. I didn't notice that. Fine. Let me get same thing. We'll try to give yum. Yeah, it is removal. After removal, I will uninstall this. No command. Okay, then it is you have been removed, right? Now Python. No, it's not showing. This one also it is showing, right? This one. Okay, you did these things. Now Python hyphen version. Yeah, done. Now try to cqlsh. Means it is trying to connect. Okay, previously it is different issue, right? Previously how you are getting. Let me scroll up. It's not coming back. Okay, that is the reason. Some issue, right? Previously it's not showing like that. Previously different issue. Okay, it is trying to connect to the server. Let me verify whether Cassandra is running or not. It's running. You can give Java also. Okay. See the problem, unable to connect to this one. Okay, this is it is throwing by default. What is the IP address? You have to see in YAML file. We have to give like this. I think this is the thing. I mentioned this IP address. Let me see. Yes, port number. No, it's not copied. Port number 9042. Now it's connected. Boom. Okay, thank you.